Alright, in this video we're going to talk really quick about writing the equation of a line given the slope and the y-intercept. And guys, this is like the most exciting situation. If you have slope and the y-intercept, you got this, okay? So, the form we use is y equals mx plus b, okay? And you remember, this is your slope, m is your slope, and B is your y-intercept. Ta-da, ta-da. It's really like putting on a shoe. You just slip the numbers into their slots, okay? So if I look at this first example right here, I have an m value and I have a b value. So I'm going to write y equals, and then I'm going to put my m value, which is 4/5. And then I'm going to write an x. And then this 6 is a positive 6, so I'm going to write plus 6. Ba-dum, ba-dum, I am done. Not too shabby, huh? Okay, so let's look at the second one. What if it's not written as b equals? Well, that's okay. This is my b value right here, -4. So I want you to try it really quick. See if you can write it. Y equals mx plus b. So put your m value, put your b value. All right, y equals m value, which is -2, followed by the letter x, plus my b value. But my b value is negative, so instead of writing plus, I'm going to write -4. So if you had any part of that wrong, go fix it really quick. And this one is good. Okay. Last one like this. You try. I'll give you a hint. Y equals. Then you put your m value, then you put your x, and then you put y-intercept or the b value. Hint, hint. So my m is -1/2. Then I have my x value, and then my y-intercept. This one literally says y-intercept, and it's a +3, so I'll put +3. You good with that? Ta-da! Okay, so next. Okay, I'm going to do one of these with you, and the other two are yours to try to see if you can do this on your own. All right, so I'm going to do this first one. Pay close attention. Now we're going to do it from a graph, which is okay because I still need the same two things. I need my slope, which is my m, and I need my y-intercept, which is my b. And then I can write the exact same question or equation the exact same way. So I always like to start with the y-intercept. So here's my y-axis. Here's my line. They intersect right here. So we have to figure out what that is. So here's 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my y-intercept is at +6. I know it's positive because I went up. Now I need my slope. So let's remind ourselves how to find slope on a graph. You have to find two perfect points. And perfect means it's like a bullseye, okay? So like I would not want to pick something right there. I don't want to pick something right here because that's not sitting on a bullseye. That is on a bullseye. That is on a bullseye. But if I'm in between boxes like that, I don't want those. So I'm going to choose this one right here because it's nice and pretty. Our slope is rise over run. So in this case, I'm going to have to go up. But sometimes you might have to go down. And if you go down, I have to go up one more. If you go down, it just means it's negative. Okay? If you go up, it means it's positive. So how many did I go up? Sometimes it's helpful to use your little jumps. Ready? All right. Oops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I went up 6, so in my slope, my top number is 6. And then my run, which is how far I go left or right, I'm going to the right. And I went, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So my slope is 6 over 3. But that will reduce. What is 6 divided by 3? 2. Okay, so I have my slope and I have my y-intercept. So I write y equals m. Don't write the 6 over 3. Let's write the more reduced one. 2. So that's my m value. X plus my b value. Now if my b value had been negative, I would put a minus sign here. If my slope had been a fraction, I would put a fraction here. If my slope had been negative, I would have made it negative. It's just not. Okay. So these are your two to try. Make sure you try them and get them checked out. Okay. Find your y-intercept and then find your slope and then write your equation.